Hello students, today we will be discussing under indirect tax. You see that there are two types of tax structure. One is direct tax, another is indirect tax. Direct tax are income tax which is being paid by the individuals and corporates, business organizations and different organizations. What are indirect tax? Indirect tax are those types of taxes where buyers are paying at the time of purchase of their goods. That means when goods are sold, those taxes have been added with that bill and it is being collected by the seller and it is being paid by the seller only. So since it is not paying by the buyer directly, that's why it is called the indirect tax. Under that indirect tax, that is the Goods and Service Tax. You know that Goods and Service Tax Act, it is a sea change in our sales tax level, excise duty, VAT and service tax, etc. All have been clumped together under that GST. Now we will slowly discuss what is the GST and when it has been started. The GST has been started in the year 2017. Then what is the purpose of GST? Under that GST, you see that all the goods and service tax based on the value added method, that VAT system was there. It has been replaced multiple taxes such as excise duty, service tax and VAT. So all have been clubbed together. So this is the structure has been streamlined, make compliance easier for taxpayer and increase revenue to the government. So now we will understand that what are the benefits of GST. Simplified tax structure, increase revenue for the government, ease of compliance of the taxpayer, replace multiple taxes. So that was very important. Now, what are the challenges being faced under GST implementation? Initial confusion was there, the lack of awareness among taxpayers, technical glitches also were there, resistance from some of the states and industries. Now we will understand what are the impact GST on different sectors. You see that positive impact on organized sectors, but negative impact on organized sectors and small units. Then future GST prospect, it needs further improvement, potential increase in revenue generation, role of promoting ease of doing business in India. So we have to support the implementation of GST because any system initially if you start some problem will be there. Now we will be discussing about the GST and common man. Impact on prices of goods and services, availability of input tax credit also will be there, need of consumer awareness also will be there. Then next question comes, what are the international perspective on GST implementation in India? Positive response from international organizations, potential attract on foreign investments through simplified tax structure, comparison of other countries, how their tax structure is doing for that. See, let us continue to educate ourselves about the GST of different sectors including common man and work towards further improvement. You see, further this system will be more streamlined and also recognize the potential attract of foreign investment and contribute the growth of the economy. What are the challenges being faced? Compliance and preventing tax evasion, addressing concerns of small business and formal sectors. Since we have to move forward GST system, the important address the challenges that lie ahead and ensure that it remains a fair and effective tax system that we should understand. It is a better future for our country through responsible citizens. Then next point is coming GST and environmental sustainability. You see that potential to promote eco-friendly practices through tax incentives, need proper implementation and monitoring of tax structure. role in promoting sustainable development goal. See, education and awareness, need for widespread education among GST, importance of understanding of compliance requirements, government and private organizations promote awareness. As we continue to work towards improving the GST system, is crucial for its success. The need for widespread education is required there. You see, this GST is very much important for your digital economy. You see that today is the total e-commerce and online transactions are there, clear guidelines and regulations of digital business, potential to boost growth of digital sector. Now next point is coming, role of GST in promoting social welfare, use of revenue generated from GST for social welfare programs, potential to reduce economic inequality through redistribution and wealth, importance of accountability. Now we should understand that since the world becomes increasing digitally, the important to consider impact GST e-commerce and online transactions, clear understanding of regulations, digital businesses compliance system, however, intends to provide the boost of growth of the digital sector. You see, when we do for international business, this GST system also will be very much beneficial for us. Then potential economic inequality through redistribution of wealth. The crucial that the accountability and transparency is the main point under the GST. You see that society through responsible citizens and support to initiate GST that promotes social welfare growth. GST promoting entrepreneurship and innovations. You see that under this GST system, tax structure, small business startup, there is simplifications, input tax credit for investment also in research and development, potential to credit favorable environment entrepreneurships. As India continues, you see that international trade, implementation of GST will have an import on export and imports. How these are the things? GST rates with other countries is necessary to ensure competitiveness in global markets. However, these benefits includes improved efficiency, cross-border transactions and increased attractiveness. Furthermore, simplified tax structure under GST can promote entrepreneurs' innovations, particularly for small businesses. So, ability to tax credit for investment in research and development can also create a favorable environment for these sectors. So, now we hope that we should work together and more innovative economy that embraces new opportunity through initiatives like GST. So, we can conclude our discussions here. If you think that some material in my discussions, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share also, so that I will be motivated to bring more channels, more videos future. So my system is getting developed. I think you will be getting my digital board systems discussions. It is under process stage. You will be getting that thing, so that visually everything you can get it. So we can conclude the discussions now. Have a good day.